Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to compare two columns. So as example, I will select this column and you can go to Home and then click on conditional formatting. Next, click highlights and you can choose duplicate value. So you can see we have this compare the duplicate word in this table column. You also can change into another options like unique. So this is not a duplicate object. And another option you can set for the color at this option. Okay, this for yellow, greens, or you can set the custom by clicking this option. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Excel tutorial, how to compare two columns. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.